So we've been getting a lot of questions about how to remove the side engine panels once you got the Curtis cab installed. So this is just a short demonstration video. We already opened the hood and we pulled this front bolt here just like you would if you didn't have a cab on it. You're going to slide the panel back to disengage the back just like you would when there wasn't a cab on it. And then you just got to kind of hold the front and the back. Get the boot disengaged. Open it up. You have to keep pulling the back out and slide it right off. And installation is just the reverse.